In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add rating components in Glide, so your users can easily provide feedback on your app. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Glide website. Once you're there, click on the Login button and enter your credentials. After logging in, open the specific app you want to edit. On the left-hand sidebar, navigate to the screen where you want users to be able to leave a rating. Now, with the screen selected, click on the Add Component button. You'll see a list of available components. Scroll down until you find the rating component and select it. You'll see the rating component instantly appear on your screen, ready for configuration. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll find all the settings to customize your rating component. Under the Data section, choose the column where you want the submitted ratings to be stored. This is crucial for tracking user feedback. Next, under Content, you can set the text and labels that will appear with your rating component, ensuring it's clear and user-friendly. Then, under Options, you can select the maximum number of stars available for your rating, choosing between 3, 4, or 5 stars to suit your needs. It's a good idea to preview your rating component. Click on the stars to test the input and ensure it's working as expected. Make sure the rating component is clearly visible on the screen and easy for your users to interact with. Double-check the content and labels you've set to make sure they are accurate and informative. Make any adjustments you feel are needed to optimize the user experience. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, click the Publish button located in the top right corner of your screen to make your changes live. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.